In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a custom reply to address to marketing emails in HubSpot. This is incredibly useful if you want replies from your campaigns to go to a different inbox than your default sender email, whether that's your support team, sales team, or a specific team member. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set a custom reply to address for any individual marketing email in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the drop-down options, select Email. This will take you to your marketing email dashboard where you can see all of your drafted, scheduled, and previously sent emails. Now, choose the email you want to edit. You can either click on an existing draft or open a previously created email that you'd like to update. If the email has already been sent, you'll need to clone it to make changes, since HubSpot doesn't allow edits to sent emails. Once you're inside the email editor, look for the From Address section. This is typically located in the email settings panel. The From Address controls what your recipients see as the sender name and email when your message lands in their inbox. Inside this section, click on Edit From Address. When you click this, a settings panel will appear showing three main fields: From Name, From Email, and Reply to Email, which is optional. The From Name is what recipients see as the sender name, like your company name or a team member's name. The From Email is the primary sending address connected to your HubSpot account. And just below that, you'll see the Reply to Email field. This is where you can enter a custom reply to address. In the Reply to Email field, type in the email address where you want responses to go. This can be any valid email address, such as support@yourcompany.com, sales@yourcompany.com, or even a specific team member's direct email. Just make sure the email address is active and monitored so you don't miss any important replies from your contacts. After entering your custom reply to address, double-check it for typos to avoid delivery issues or missed conversations. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your marketing email will now send from your selected From email address, but any replies will be directed to the custom reply to address you specified. This gives you much more flexibility in managing communication, especially if different teams handle different types of responses. Before you send your email, it's always a good idea to send a test email to yourself or your team. Reply to that test message to confirm that the response goes to the correct inbox. This quick check can save you from confusion later, especially during large campaigns. And that's how you add a custom reply to address to marketing emails in HubSpot. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how you manage replies and customer communication. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.